Good morning students, class 11th. Today I am discuss about the chapter hydrocarbon, and first topic is the introduction of the hydrocarbon, alkane, alkene and alkynes. Then hydrocarbons में हाइड्रोकार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन. Hydrogen and carbon, this compound is formed only hydrogen and carbon is called the hydrocarbon. And the classification of the hydrocarbon and another compound of hydrocarbon is made carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus. And the classification of hydrocarbons is divided for the two parts. First is the saturated hydrocarbons and second is the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons and the second is the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, saturated hydrocarbon is hydrogen bind with the single bonded. It is called the saturated hydrocarbons. And the carbon bind with the single bonded. जब कार्बन और कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड से अटैच होता है, इट इज कॉल्ड द saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons is combined carbon with the single bonded is called the saturated hydrocarbons, and it is called alkane. Suffix is alkane is the A and E is the suffix attached after the parental chain. And general formula of alkane is the CnH2n plus 2. General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. And the alkanes is the another name of the paraffin. एल्केन्स को, हाइड्रोकार्बन्स को या सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स को एक दूसरे नाम से मींस पैराफिन्स के नाम से भी जानते हैं. क्लियर बेटा? एंड जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ द हाइड्रोकार्बन का CnH2n plus 2 and CnH2n plus 2. And the first example of the saturated hydrocarbon is the C1H2 into 1 plus 2, so CH4. And second member of the saturated hydrocarbons is the C2H2 into 2 plus 2 is equal to C2H6. And the third and next C3H8 C4H10. And saturated hydrocarbons is the single bonded, carbon attached with the single bonded. It is the alkanes. Suffix add at the A and E. And general formula is the saturated hydrocarbons is the CnH2n plus 2. And another name of the saturated hydrocarbons is the paraffins. It is the paraffins. And the first member of the saturated hydrocarbons is the CH4, and second member of the saturated hydrocarbons is the CDH6, and the third member of the saturated hydrocarbons is the C3H8, and the next 4, 5, 6. Cn is equal to number of carbon atoms. बेटा नंबर ऑफ कार्बन जितना ऐड करते रहेंगे उतना ही उसके फॉर्मूले मैड होते रहेंगे, बनते रहेंगे. ओके बेटा? एंड नेक्स्ट पार्ट का अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स बेटा देखेंगे. एंड नाउ अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन Hydrocarbon is the two parts. First is the carbon attached with a single double bonded. Carbon attached with double bonded. It is called the alkene. It is the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Carbon attached with the double bond. It is called the alkenes. Suffix of the alkenes is the ene. Suffix of the alkene is the ene, and another name of the alkene is the olefin. एक दूसरा नाम होता है एल्कीन्स का, जिसे हम olefin के नाम से जानते हैं. And next is the general formula of the alkenes. General formula of the alkenes is the CnH2n. CnH2n is the general formula of the alkenes. And the first member of the alkenes where n is equal to number of carbon atom. N is equal to number of carbon atom, and general formula of the alkene is the CnH2n. First member of the alkenes is the second number of carbon. Second number of carbon, that means C2H2 into 2. C2H2 into 2. बताइए सेकेंड नंबर ऑफ द फर्स्ट मेंबर ऑफ द कार्बन होगा अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन का. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा भाई, फॉर्मूला बनेगा आपका C2H4. एंड ओपन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द C2H4 इज द C double bond C and hydrogen and hydrogen. Clear? Then formula is C2H4, and the second member of the alkenes is the C3H2 into 3, then C3H6, and just like a fourth, fifth, and the next member of the alkenes is the C4H2 into 4 is equal to C4H8, and the next is the C5H2 into 5 is equal to C5H10. And these member of the unsaturated hydrocarbons of the alkene. And next part of the unsaturated hydrocarbon is the alkyne. That means carbon attached with the triple bonded carbons. Next part of the unsaturated hydrocarbons is the alkyne. Alkyne is the carbon attached in the triple bonded. Carbon attached with the triple bond. It is called the alkynes. Suffix of the unsaturated hydrocarbons of alkyne is -ine. Y-N-E. And the general formula of the alkene. General formula of alkynes is the CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. General formula of the unsaturated hydrocarbons in the alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. And another name of the alkynes is the acetylene. Another name of the alkyne is the acetylene, and the first member of the alkyne is the N is equal to number of carbon atom, and the first member of the acetylene alkenes is the 2 number of carbons. N is equal to 2 C2H2 into 2 minus 2, and the formula is the C2H2H4 minus 2, and then C2H2. First member of the alkynes is the C2H2. It is the combined formula of the acetylene, and the open structure of the acetylene is the C triple bond C, and attach the one hydrogen at one end and another end of the attached one hydrogen. So formula open structure of the acetylene is the CH triple bond CH, and the next member of the alkynes is the N is equal to 3 C3H2 into 3 minus 2, then C3H6 minus 2, and the C3H4. C3H4 and open structure of the C3H4 is carbon, carbon and carbon. One carbon attached with the triple bonded and another carbon attached with the single bonded. Carbon valency is satisfied with the hydrogen 1, 2, 3 and one carbon. First carbon is the satisfied the valency, one valency of the hydrogen and another 3 valency is the triple bonded. And second number of carbon is one valency is the third carbon and 3 valency is the first carbon, and third carbon is 1 valency is the carbon and 3 valency is the hydrogen, and 3 valency is the hydrogen. So complete the open structure of the third member, second member of the alkyne, and next is the next member of the N is equal to 4 and C4H2 into 4 minus 2. And next is the C4H6. Next member of the alkyne is the C4H6. Clear beta? So I am classified the hydrocarbons saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbons is only one carbon attached with the single bonded, and unsaturated hydrocarbons is two types. Carbon attached with the single bonded and carbon attached with the triple bonded. See, carbon attached with the single bonded is called the alkanes, and carbon attached with the double bond is called the alkenes, and carbon attached with the triple bonded it is called the alkynes. Okay beta? And next video is the nomenclature of the alkane. So these videos see each students and works in the ग्रुप. बेटा सभी बच्चे इस वीडियो को देख करके वर्क कंप्लीट करें एंड ग्रुप में से वर्क सेंड करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.